Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. Bring the salmon to room temperature 10 minutes before cooking. Warm a large nonstick skillet with oil over medium-low heat. Season the fish with salt and pepper. Raise the heat to medium-high. The skin can be served or removed easily with a knife or spoon. Transfer to a plate and serve as desired.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The easiest way to see if your salmon has finished cooking is to gently press down on the top of the fillet with a fork or your finger. If the flesh of the salmon flakes, meaning it separates easily along the white lines that run across the fillet strips of fish fat, it's finished cooking. 14 August 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Add salmon skin side down and let cook 6 to 8 minutes, or until the bottom half of the fish looks opaque and the skin easily releases from the grill. Flip and cook 4 to 6 minutes longer, or until the entirety of the fish is cooked through. 8 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Season both sides with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat a large nonstick pan over medium-high heat. Add the olive oil and gently place the salmon into the pan, skin side down. Cook for 6 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally. 8 November 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
I would just bake it, but that's just me. It's wonderful both ways, but for optimal tender, flaky moistness, brush fillets with a little olive oil, salt and pepper, and bake until just slightly underdone and let rest under foil to finish cooking. It really doesn't take long to cook it fully in the pan.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.